Welcome to the Municipal Market Management System for Dealing Assistant. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the advertisement module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided. Reload the CAPTCHA, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the advertisement and market home page on the Dealing Assistant dashboard. The Dealing Assistant dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the advertisement and market home page, including total applications, approved application, rejected application, pending applications. On the Dealing Assistant dashboard, locate and select the Market Workflow option to perform actions related to market-related applications. This section includes the following options: hostel, lodge, dharmashala, banquet and marriage hall. To perform actions related to hostel applications, locate the hostel option under the Market Workflow section and click it. Upon selecting the hostel option, a comprehensive list of hostel applications will be displayed in the inbox. To review all applications that have been forwarded, select the Outbox option. To examine applications that have been returned to citizens, select the BTC list option. To verify an application, locate and select your desired application from the inbox, then click the View option. The complete application details will be displayed along with options for related actions. To view the list of uploaded documents, click on the View Document option. Click the Verify Document option to verify the document. Select the document you wish to verify. After reviewing the document, click the Verify button. Enter the remark related to the document, then click the Verify button once again to complete the verification. The user must verify all the documents one by one in the same manner. After verifying all the document, click the Action option to forward the application. Input your comments pertaining to the document, select the Send Comment option, and then click the Forward button to proceed. A confirmation message stating comment recorded and application forwarded successfully will be displayed. In the same manner, the user can systematically verify the documents for all applications, one at a time. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.